Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another kind of a repressing session or whatever. This is my bronzer palette that I've been working on. I was looking for a pan that was free and I realized this pan is free. And I don't know how this will go, but this is a highlighter shade, which I do like. And these are two, like that's a highlighter shade that's too deep for me. And that's like a baked, like bronze shade. Again, this is too deep for me, but together they might make a nice, ridiculously glowy bronzer. Who knows? And I'm going to repress it into here. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I have this, there's little bits in it from here in the corner that fell off. I didn't want to waste anything, so that's going to be in here too. This is a little ramekin I got in, well, it says Crofton. I thought I got this in Aldi, but maybe I didn't. And I have my rubbing alcohol in this container. I have this medicine dropper I got on Amazon, and I took toilet roll out of the hot press because the kitchen roll is downstairs and I'm being a lazy person. And my depotting tool from Amazon. So let's just get started. So I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape everything into this ramekin. We'll come back to this later. That's for later. Why did I not put a towel out on this table? Because this table is already destroyed. I'm going to be that person who keeps this empty palette until such time that I finish everything so that I can show the empties properly. I don't know. Ooh, did you see that? Like that highlighter is beautiful. I'd say that'd be so stunning on deeper skin tone, like so stunning, because I wanted it to work for me, but it didn't. I was wearing it as like a bronzer topper, but it's too golden for that, for my skin tone. But I am ridiculously fair. It's already starting to go everywhere. Houston, we have a mess. Well, we don't really. We're okay. I'm just exaggerating. Oh, it's so juicy. Okay, let's do these. Like, it's a shame because I do like this color, but then again, like, I wouldn't go out of my way to reach for it, you know, unless it's in a project pan, which it is. Oops. But like, I do like this for work, but then again, when am I going to be consistently in work, you know? Ooh, I'm in work a couple of days a week and I will be after Christmas, but like, I just don't want to rely on that idea either. You know, it will happen, but I want to make things work for now. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see, but this is a pile of product. I don't know if it'll fit, but I'll try. Like, I have another compact, but it's like the 3D printed one that Porrick made me. So I'm just going to put the medicine dropper into the alcohol. Everyone seems to have a preference on what they like. I don't like too much alcohol. I'll probably put too much in there, and I said that, but I generally like it to be like putty-ish, I suppose is what is the word. So I don't know, we'll see now what happens. I find this part the make or break you part. The make or break you part. Okay guys, here it is. It's looking deep still, but generally it does look deeper when it's wet. Let's do a little, ooh, I love that feeling. Okay. It's actually grand. Could this be a bronzer topper or a bronzer on its own? It's definitely a glowy bronzer, which was what I was going for, but it's going to be orange. Let me just see. That's kind of fine, isn't it? We'll see what this is like on the cheek when it dries, but I'm really happy to, one, have everything in like the one packaging, because now it's not an extra bronzer compact, it's still in the one compact where it's being stored. So I'm going to leave that open to dry. This is going to go into my drawer until such time that I have finished my bronzers. So now we have 6 bronzers in these 2 compacts, or sorry, this one and this one. So we'll see. I'm pretty happy with that. So we'll see what it's like when it's dry. I can't imagine it'll be much different than that, but I am really happy with it. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please do subscribe. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and have a nice week or weekend, depending on whenever that is. Take care. Bye.